Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Student, today we are going to start with 11th chapter of Business Studies of class 12th, and we have successfully completed 10th chapter. And the name of the chapter is Marketing Management. So in today class, we are going to just introduce and find out the meaning of the word marketing and what are its related features. So marketing management refers to management of all activities related to a market. Traditionally, there were no difference between selling and marketing, but modern age is the age of globalization where consumer plays an important role and marketing strategies also have become very much important and vital. Marketing management is the analysis, planning, implementation and control of programs designed to create, build, maintain mutual beneficial exchange and relationship with target market for the purpose of achieving the institutional objectives. This definition is given by marketing guru Philip Kotler. Marketing is that phase of business activity through which human wants are satisfied by the exchange of goods and services. All the modern definitions of marketing are based on the philosophy that satisfaction of the consumer is the basic purpose of any business. Now, what is marketing? Marketing is a social process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering, and freely exchanging products and service of value with others. The marketer work hard to discover the needs and wants of customer and try to develop product or services which would satisfy them. All the firm try to produce the products which will be demanded by satisfying customers' needs and wants. Now, what are the features of marketing? Basically, there are 4 features of marketing. Need and want, creating a market offering, customer value exchange mechanism. So, starting with need and want. The focus of marketing is made on need and want of customer. All the activities in the market are carried out with the main motive of satisfying need and want of customer and of any institution. Creating a market offering. A market offering means offering a product or service by specifying its features, shape, size or colors. For example, offer a TV when specifying the various size in which this is available, various type of technology used, various shapes, price of different types. Customer value. Customer is ready to give a price for the product only when he gets complete full satisfaction or when the product is offering utilities matching to the price. Customer values the product on the basis of satisfaction and service offered by the product. Marketer must add to the value of product so that customer prefers your product over the competitors. Now the last is exchange mechanism. The process of marketing involves exchange of products and services for money or money worth. In exchange, customer pay money and in return they take a product or services which satisfy their needs and wants. Exchange can take place directly between manufacturer and customer or through middlemen, wholesaler and retailer. Exchange is the essence of marketing. Once again I repeat, exchange is the essence of marketing. The precondition of exchange mechanisms of marketing are as follows. Presence of at least 2 parties. One should be a buyer and seller, that is customer and marketer. So at least 2 parties are required. Then comes both parties have something viewed valuable by each other. This means both the parties should possess something of value. Third, both the parties are free to accept or reject the offer. There is no forceful movement in this context. This means both the parties are free to accept or reject the offer. They can deny if they are not interested in the offer. Each party feels desirable to deal with the other party. It is party wish, desire to deal with the other party or not. No one will decide this thing. And last is each party is capable, competent of communication and delivery. This means both the parties should be capable and competent in case of communication and delivery of goods or services. So students, today we have discussed marketing introduction, its definition and features. So that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.